She weighed back. Yay.
She'll catch you.
Here we go, man. Man, shut your corny self up. Oh wow, that's actually a lot worse than I thought it would be.
Oh my god!
Oh wow.
I'm gonna shit myself.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh wow. Good lord.
They're just begging for their lives. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh lord.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That wasn't actually too bad.
What do you mean? That wasn't too bad.
Light work, no reaction.
Get me out of here. That was like 3 seconds.
Yeah, that was 3 seconds. That was not worth the wait. Yeah, me too. Yeah, I'm a little